This is Amy Chan with CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. In this video, we're talking about our new set of mixing bowls. So we wanted something that was fun colors just to help brighten up our studio, a nice lightweight plastic. We do a lot of small amounts of buttercream. So we were looking for something that, one, isn't too heavy when you're holding it and mixing, and two, would be easy to microwave when we need to heat something up, just to adjust the temperature, right? And so these do the job. They're 20-ounce plastic bowls. They're listed as cereal bowls, which you can use them for that. We found that they're also nice for weighing out small amounts of ingredients, but generally we're using them for mixing small amounts of royal icing and buttercream, and they're doing the job nicely. We've had them for a couple of weeks and they're holding up really, really well. They come in a couple of fun pastel colors, and it's a nice little set of 10. So they're durable, lightweight, and they add a little bit of interest to our otherwise very stainless steel environment, and we're enjoying them. If you like this video and you want to check out more about equipment or about cake decorating, please follow us on Insta and YouTube at Cake Decorating School.